Hi friends, good day. Today we can see some ways of converting documents in some formats to PDF. So what is a PDF? The PDF is a file format independent of application software, hardware, and operating systems. For example, if we have a document created in MS Word, it cannot be shared as such because the receiving party may not have the required software to open the document. So it will be better to convert it to a PDF format and then share it. This may be a simple topic, but thought of discussing it here. First, let's take a look at converting a Word document to PDF format. Open the document, make sure that the contents and formatting of the document is fine, then go to File menu. Click on Save As, select the PDF format, and save the file. The Word document is now converted to PDF format. It is that simple. The steps are similar in converting a PowerPoint presentation and Excel file to PDF format. Let's now see how some images can be converted to a PDF format. The easiest way is to copy the images and paste it in a Word file. Then follow the same steps to convert that to a PDF file. Sometimes we may not have access to a laptop and may have to do the same task in mobile of converting some images to a PDF format. We can use apps in order to perform this task. Please choose the app wisely, mainly when coming to security, paid versions, ads, etc. For this demo, I have chosen the free app called Image to PDF Converter. You can download this from Google Play Store. After the app is installed, open the app and you will get a screen like this. Use this button to select the images stored in the mobile phone. Select the images and click on Done. If the images need to be reordered, then use the Sort option. Drag and drop the images and order it according to the requirement. Click on the tick mark once done. Click on the Convert to PDF button. The PDF will be converted and you will get an option to share or open. You can share it in a message, email, etc. It is that straightforward. Good luck, friends. As always, hope you will support by subscribing. Thanks for watching the video.